Hey guys, welcome back to SB Capital. As always, we're super excited to have you guys here with us today. Um, I'm just gonna make a quick follow-up video regarding what I posted yesterday. I'm gonna apologize ahead of time for my voice. I just woke up like an hour ago, and allergies are totally kicking my butt. So I'm just gonna try to make it work still, and let's see what we could see. So right here, I have the Tesla chart on the 4 hours, right? And just want to point out that this is the most recent top right here. So I'll write that out. Top. And from here, we could see that, let me pull this down a little bit. Tesla has corrected about 40%. Now, 40, if a stock moves down about 40%, that means the correction is complete, right? 40% is a lot. And it's safe to assume that, okay, we got the correction done. So I'm gonna just use the ABC waves because it's pretty clear, right? And this is the very bottom. Now you can look at this in many ways from here, but what we're gonna do to check our levels, because we could see there's an ABC wave here, you could also call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could also, so I'm gonna put down that 2. It could also be an impulse wave, considered an impulse wave basically. 3, 4, like this one right here, right? Let me fix this up a little bit so we could see, right? So the great thing is, if you could determine these trends, you could use something called the trend-based Fibonacci. You're gonna put it at the very top, pull it down to the A wave and also the 1 wave, and pull it back up to where the B wave starts. And we could see our levels very clearly now, right? Boom. So we could see that 2.618, 2.65 level. Anything with the 0.618, 0.65, I consider that the golden zone. It's a big level. So you can see that we registered the bottom right here at 2.618, 2.65. So we found a bottom at the golden zone. And then already from this bottom, we are up just about 36%. Now, that's perfectly fine. Since we just saw a correction, it's very safe to presume that we could see at least 100% move from the very bottom. And 100% move from the very bottom, which is right here, see is roughly gonna bring us to right here, about 1078. So I'm gonna drag it up a little bit, and I'm gonna say my price target. I'm setting my price target right here, 1100, and price target, boom, right up here. So this is how I just do my fibs. It takes a little bit of time, it takes a little bit of playing. If you do have some, background in Elliott waves, they're definitely useful, because if the Elliott waves tell me, okay, we're in this type of trend, or we're in this type of move, so it's very important to have that skill set basically. And yesterday in the video I posted yesterday, sorry, I did mention that we needed to fill this gap, right? And we could see that this gap is right between the 1 level, 1 Fibonacci level, which is one, just a little sidetrack note. When you're using fibs, at least personally for me, the most important levels are 0, the 0.5, the golden zone, which is anything with 0.618, 0.65, and 1. Those are all the important levels. As you could see that I have this one here. Actually, I don't have the 1.5 set up. Let me just get that set up real quick, because then we're going to get a more clear picture. Okay, you could see that I called this level right here, about the 700 level, a very big short-term top. If you check out the video from yesterday, and we could see that we cleared out that. And now today what I'm interested in seeing is if we could clear out the 0.786 level. So today I'm looking to see if we could reach this golden zone right here, which is going to be around the $800 price. So I'm going to put down a note. Today's date, I think, is the 14th. Sorry. Let me just double check real quick. Yes, so 414, 800 expected. All right, so I want to see a close over here, or at least a push into towards this territory. Right, it supports our bull cause by a lot. And then from here, because we did mention 0.618, 0.65 is a big levels, a golden zone. We got to see if enough buyers come in to push us over this level. And if there are enough buyers to push us over this level, I'd say confidently we could see 880, so near the top again. And once we break that level, I fully expect to see 100% move all the way up to around 1100. So I'm just going to put some arrows, right? So we want first this test. Well, actually, you won't be able to see it, so I'll just write it out for you guys. I'll just write it out right here at the top. We want to see 0.618, 0.65 level break to the upside. From there, we want to see 820 clear out, 0.5 zone, 0.5 level. And from there, we will see a insurgence to all-time highs. And my final price target is 100% from bottom, it's a recent bottom, which is approximately 1100. All right. Now I will post this chart on Twitter too. So if you guys do have any questions or anything like that regarding the chart or the Tesla price action or whatever, you guys could feel free to shoot us a message on Twitter. But yeah, this was basically my outlook. The reason why I didn't do the fibs yesterday is because I wanted to see if we got that push into the level we wanted to. Pre-market, I did see that Tesla was at like 786. Right now, Tesla's at 770. So we're in the middle of that gap. What we could see is a little push down, and then the buyers come back. Well, we don't know. We can't predict that just yet. So the first hour is always very eventful. The first hour of the market is where the main price action starts. So I'm just gonna keep an eye out, and from there I'll get a better gist of what's going on. But stay bullish, babies. That's that. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay eating these tendies.